Welcome back to the Jolie of Cooking. Today we're going to make homemade guacamole. Here are our ingredients: avocado, red onion, cilantro, lime, and tomatoes. Let's get started! The first thing we do is scoop out the avocados and put them in a bowl. Magic avocado, come please out. Once all the avocados are in, we can smush it. Ahora, start smushing. Do you need me to take over?
No. When my actor smashes, I'm gonna take out the cilantro.
I'll juice the lime.
Yes, I wanted to do the cilantro.
Now the next step is to pour in the lime juice. And now we mix. Mix and mix.
No. Because I like mixing, I'm pouring it too.
Behind the scenes, my mommy chopped up the cilantro, red onion, and tomatoes. Now all you have to do is mix it all in. Now let's mix it up.
I'll do it. It's hot for you, so I have to do it.
I'm just gonna go get another spoon. Mix. Last step, pour in some salt and a dash of cayenne pepper. Okay, better mix it up. Voila! Homemade guacamole. Bon appetit!
Bon appetit!
And remember, anything I can do, you can do better.
Anything I can do, you can do better.